Curtains are the centrepiece to every home. Now is your time to bring your windows to life.
Welcome to Curtain Making for Beginners. Let's get started.
This course is for everyone, beginners and keen sewers alike. Louise guides you through the fundamental skills to create popular pencil pleat curtains with the bonus of matching tie backs and a coordinating cord tidy.
This is exactly why I love this method.
Within the course, you'll also learn to transform your pencil pleat heading into a playful cottage pleat with optional contrast piping.
And that's your curtains now made, hung and dressed.
We are all creative. There's something within all of us. We've just got to find it. And now it's your time to find yours.
Discover the joy that sewing brings and come with me, Louise, to make curtains for your own home.